Okay, so train's gonna be here about now.
Watch, ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. See it? Yeah.
Ooh, it's a freight train. Coal train. Like the sensation that there's like hundreds of tons of coal going underneath you. No. Oh look, there's one locomotive on the end of the train. 4 locomotives on one train. And there goes the train. There is going to be another train through here soon though.